Good morning, everyone. Today, uh, today's topic is growth and development. We have children, but are we ready for them, or are we focused? Do we know about how they will grow and how they will develop themselves accordingly? So, it's about parenting. We must know what are the factors affect our children's growth, basically. So, like, first of all, we need to understand what is growth and what is development. Growth is physical, okay, in size, in weight, in height, and all. But development, we can say it is mental and emotional, social, moral. That is called the development, cognitive. So, in like, if we say growth factors are, every child have their own growth and development, but we set some milestones for that. Like, if we say a child will speak at what age, so we say he will babble at like 6 months or 7 months. He will start babbling, and after that he will say his words. So at 9 months of age, a child say ma, ma, papa, or 9 months to 15 months, he will say mama, papa, one letter or two letter word he will complete. Okay, but all like it is speech, and after that comes like when he will go to school and all. So various stages of development are there. In infancy, 0 to 2 years, in infancy child growth is physical. Basically, we consider the physical growth, how he is growing now, as he started walking or trembling or what. Okay, but when childhood starts, 2 to 6 years, we prefer he must know some texts or some basic things he has to learn. Like, if we say at 2 years of age, a child must speak two-letter word speech, like mama, dudu, or pani. Pani we say 2.5 years, we say pani, है ना, pani pee. Okay, ऐसे छोटे छोटे words or phrases a child will complete. Okay, and for this age, I must prefer, in today's world, nobody is having time for anything. It's a busy schedules and busy lives. So basically, for parents, they find it difficult to spend time with the children. So they find some other solutions. Okay, for those parents, I must recommend you must send your children to school. Okay, so they will get, or they will have an environment where they can learn, hear, listen, understand, and grow in such an environment where they have company. Okay, where they see the other children also who are speaking, who are playing. So they make a bond between with the other children who are of the same age group, and they are developing their speech. They speak to each other the small phrases, the small sentences. Choi de do, okay, Meera Shinchan, okay, like this kind of phrases. मैं नहीं दूंगा, या नहीं नहीं, ऐसे वाले छोटे छोटे बच्चे बोलते हैं. ठीक है, that we just go for the mother language, and the kids speak their mother language, the mother tongue, and after that they will learn the second language. So at the same time, simultaneously, you teach them mother tongue and along with the second language. Like, we are just emphasizing to give them mother tongue, Hindi, and plus English. So if we say some words in English, he will learn in English only. And if we say some in mother tongue, he will learn something in mother tongue, or the all words in the mother tongue. And if we say he should speak in Hindi, then we say those things in Hindi. So he will develop his vocabulary and the language tags in the Hindi, English, mother tongue. So in three languages basically, or the two languages. When you go for the admission, the admin head or the admin officer always asks what language you speak at home. Okay, what languages you speak at home. So we must fill that. Like if you speak mother tongue, then give your mother tongue language name. It's Nepali, it's Punjabi, it's Hindi, or whatever. Okay, and the second language is the official language in which the studies will go on. So that is a school language. We mix it with your mother tongue or your regular language. So we make it bilingual. Okay. So like if we say, please sit, do not hesitate, you are smart. So बेटा बैठो, ठीक है, हिचकिचाना नहीं है, कम टू मी, आई विल टीच यू, आई विल हेल्प यू, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें हेल्प करूँगी. सो वी टेक सम वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द मदर टंग, सम वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सो bilingual language, so the child learn it fast and the speed of learning becomes faster. So he develop himself very fast and give you the results. Basically, outcome comes and you feel happy. Okay. It is a 2 years or 3 years child who is learning new words and all, and after that we start the motor skills. So like we start with the hands, and the child start writing or the tracing at the age of 3. Some do it early, who are the smarter kids, they do it early, and the average will start in the age of 3, and he will start tracing. Okay, and for tracing we need this. First of all, he do it like this, he do it like this is the first grip which a child takes. This is the first grip, and after that this grips comes like ये एक एक फिंगर लेस होता जाता है, and then the child at last come here, and here he spend how many time, like he will spend days or months. It depends upon how he's practicing at home or how much time he's having to do it, such kind of activities. Okay, and final grip comes here, 2 fingers, 1 thumb. Okay, this is the final grip which we give the children, and this comes about like 3.5 years. He has to take his perfect grip, so he could write in a perfect way, and he write in the lines. Basically, we give them many more knowledge, the line knowledge, the tracing, how to trace a word or trace a alphabet. Okay, recognition, identification, many things are going on, no? And simultaneously he's just making his own circle, own group of friends in which he's playing, he's doing the things, and शरारत भी कर रहा है, पढ़ भी रहा है, सीख भी रहा है, he's doing everything. So everything is important. I'm not saying the playing is not important, the study is more important, or the study is not important, the dance is not important. Everything is important. We are giving overall development to the child. We focus on overall development, so the child learn and develop in a perfect manner.